Welcome to our channel. Today, let's take a trip down memory lane as we explore the Jeep CJ-1, the predecessor of one of the most iconic off-road vehicles in history. The CJ civilian Jeep series laid the foundation for the modern Jeep brand, and the CJ-1 marks the beginning of this legendary lineup. Jeep CJ-1, the beginning of an icon. 1. Origin and history. The CJ-1 was developed in the mid-1940s as a civilian adaptation of the military Willys MB, which gained fame during World War II. Willys Overland built the CJ-1 as a prototype to test the market for a vehicle that could handle rugged terrains while being practical for civilian use. Though only a handful of CJ-1 prototypes were made, it paved the way for the first mass-produced civilian Jeep, the CJ-2A, in 1945. 2. Design and features. The CJ-1 closely resembled the military Willys MB, featuring a boxy design, flat fenders, and an open top. It had a two-door body style, emphasizing simplicity and durability. The fold-down windshield and removable canvas top made it adaptable for various conditions. 3. Engine and performance. Powered by the reliable Go Devil 2.2-liter, four-cylinder engine, producing around 60 horsepower. Mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, the CJ-1 offered exceptional torque for off-road applications. The four-wheel drive system was a key feature, ensuring the CJ-1 could conquer rough terrains with ease. 4. Legacy. Although the CJ-1 never reached full-scale production, it set the stage for the legendary Jeep CJ series, which continued to evolve over the decades. The Jeep CJ lineup became a symbol of freedom, adventure, and off-road capability, influencing modern off-road SUVs like the Wrangler. Fun fact: the Jeep CJ-1 and its successors not only became popular among civilians but also found their way back to military use, proving their versatility and durability. If you're a fan of off-road history and timeless designs, the Jeep CJ-1 is where it all began. Stay tuned for more insights into classic vehicles and modern innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the journey with us. See you in the next adventure.